From the historic volcanic craters of Mount Gambier to a mountain biking city mecca, we have arrived in Radelaide. To get this Adelaide riding adventure started, I think we should start at the beginning and try out Australia's oldest sanctioned mountain bike park. The Eagle Mountain Bike Park is located only 20 minutes from Adelaide CBD. It's an old quarry, it's rocky, loose and totally sick.
Woo! Oh yeah! Oh, that's so rad. Mate, it is fresh. Woo! It's an old rock quarry too, so I think all the trails are pretty rocky, pretty loose. Hopefully this rain gives it a little bit of grip. I think there's a blue trail that goes off this road, so I think we'll start on that. All right, there's a trail off to the right somewhere called Top Deck. This is it. Top Deck. Let's see what we have. Yes, oh, boy, nearly lost the front straight away, boy. It's pretty clayey actually. Oh, whoa, it's slippery. Oh, sick. Yes. Oh. Whoa. And it is icy. I hope this rain passes soon because I am freezing.
Hills Hoist is just one trail that was recommended to me through my Instagram account. It looks easy enough to get to, so I think that would be a great spot to start. It's a single black diamond technical descending trail. To get there, we have to go up Valley Trail.
Oh man, we've had a lot of rain. Oh, the first climb's always the hardest. Oh yes. Oh, it is super, super, super wet. Oh. Oh, you dog. I climb for a green climbing trail. I'm just not dedicated to the craft of the climb. It's my little pea heart. Hey? Oh, we're on blue gums. I've made a rookie mistake here. I thought it was a bit tough for a green. Oh, wrong again. Hey, kangas everywhere. It's one thing I've noticed about the Adelaide Hills. There is wildlife everywhere. Like we're staying in the Belair National Park and there's kangaroos, koalas, emus, dogs. It's got it all. Not to mention, I'm absolutely blown away the amount of mountain bike trails around Adelaide. Like when I open up Trail Forks, it's almost overwhelming. I'm like, where do I even start? Because there are trails literally everywhere. It's pretty sick. Yeah, I really want to get onto these train shuttles, but you know, we only have so much time and it's getting cold. Oh, what a detour. All right, back on track. This looks like a green climbing trail. Steep. Green. Man, even though we've just started, the terrain is changing so much. It's gone from clay to sand. Now it's extremely rocky. And this is the quarry. Yes, Hills Hoist. Oh, we are on. Let's see what Trail Forks thinks about this track. A challenging track with a steep roll in at the start. A challenging track with a steep roll in at the start. Challenging track with a steep roll in at the start. I think we just wing it, eh? Can't see a steep roll in. It'll probably creep up on me. A challenging track with a steep roll in at the start. A challenging trail with a steep roll in at the start. Oh yes. Come on, this must be the steep rolling. Hey. Oi. Woo. Oh, nice. That was sick. Oh yeah. Janky. Whoa. Yeah, I haven't ridden jank for a little while. Oh, come on. Oh, woo! Oh, yes. Yes, very cool. Very technical, but very fun. All right, look ahead. Don't be a kook. Yeah. Oi. Don't look over the edge. Yes. Oh, sick. Oh, we're pinching. Ow. What are we on? We're stopped. The heart's giving way. He doesn't want it anymore. We're still on Hills Hoist? We are. Oh, this little pinch climb's fucked with my mojo. All right, give me some more. Oh, too much. Yeah. Oh, have fun and ride good. Cooked it. Oh, it's beautiful in here. Yeah. Oh, mate. Oh, the high line. Can you do it? Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, so good. So fun. Expectations blown. Oh, mate, I've heard a couple of negative things about this gorgeous quarry, and I have to say that was spectacular. I don't think I've used that word before. Spectacular. It's my new favourite word. Also, if anyone wants a spectacular riding jersey, hit up Emanate. It's a bit hard to see because of all the nerd gear I've got on, but Brody at Emanate makes some sick as jerseys. He's passionate about his alternative art, which I also am. Well, I support big corporate brands when you can support an Australian dude just grinding, and use the code Froff and you get 5% off. I get a little kickback, help support the channel, help support Emanate, a new sick mountain biking and apparel shop. Check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. Let's get up this fucking hill. Smooth as silk. I have the mixer on my mind. It's prodding me with its evil little stick, not dick. It's a double black diamond downhill run. It starts from up there, and by the looks of it, I'm making my way there, unfortunately. That's all I'm looking at. Oh, I was hoping to make a friend today.
And before I know it, the friend gods delivered me Nigel, fellow YouTuber, mountain bike shredder, and all-round top bloke. Nigel is pretty familiar with the tracks here. He's going to tow me into the mixer, but we start on a jump track further up the hill that connects onto the mixer.
So this is a jump trail?
Yeah, jump trail.
Whoa, that was kicky. Oh, Nigel's gone. Oh, yes, yeah. Whew, that was fun. Oh, the mixer. Oh, nice, yes. Oh, so sick. Oh, yes. Oh, that's so rad. Oh, oh yes. Oh, that's steep. All right. Oh, creek gap coming up. Oh, yes! Woo! Oh, yeah. That's so good. Yeah, dude. The top bit is so fun, like how technical and...
It's rad, isn't it?
It's so fun.
Yeah, so this has got like a little chute down here.
Yep.
Like the last drop that's there, you got to kind of hack it a little bit.
Should be right. Sick. Whoa. Oh yeah, dude. So good. Oh, yo. Whoa, oh, those rocks are slippery. Oh yes, those turns are so good. Oh, that was fun. I'm hoping my lens wasn't just covered in mud the whole time.
Me, man.
Oh, that was so good, dude. Thanks heaps for that.
Yeah, no worries.
Dude, I will subscribe and
yes.
And I'll leave a link in this one to your channel. Thanks heaps for the tour, bro.
Yeah, no worries.
I'll catch you later. I think that is the best thing about this sport that we love. You can literally just head out for a ride, not know anyone, and most of the time you'll come across an absolute legend. I don't think there's many sports where you can do that. I used to ride motos when I was younger. Nothing against the moto scene, but it was a different vibe. That was fucking sick. I don't want to go up this hill though. I just want to lie here and slowly die.